We're here at Fun Spot to do a quick little trip. We're here to ride 2 coasters, White Lightning, and I can't remember.
The inverted one.
Right. We're at the Orlando location, and they have pay-as-you-go and...
For each pay-as-you-go, and then they have a day pass. I believe that's $50 per person, and it lets you do everything except for the arcade games and some of the bigger attractions. They have some drop tower type of attractions, and those are where you get to pay per ride.
We're not here to do those tonight, just the actual coasters. We may do some go-karts. I'm not quite sure yet. It depends on once we get in. And
they're open from 2 p.m. to midnight also today. So that's cool. You can come at night, even after Universal or Disney closes down. You can
get in a couple extra rides.
Yep, definitely.
And then also parking is free.
Everything is free. You can actually walk in the door free. You can park for free. It's just if you want to ride the rides, then you have to pay. So.
Yeah, and we're gonna do the pay-as-you-go, like we said, and I think the coasters are $10 per person each. So if you're only coming for the coasters, like we are, it might be cheaper to just do pay-as-you-go.
Yes, and also, I mean, if you bring, the grandparents and they don't want to ride anything, that's not an additional cost that you have to incur.
Yep.
So that's a good thing. It's good for the whole family. We'll let you know what we think after we get through the gates.
See you there.
We also ask that you use the social distance marker placed throughout the park and encourage you.
So here's the Fun Pass that we were talking about, and then they have the Megaphone Pass, which gives you 1 free Sky coaster, and that is the Sky coaster. And here's the coaster that we're here to ride. Okay, so we just got off Freedom Flyer. That was an awesome ride.
It was awesome.
I was really surprised. We got front row, and I can't say enough about it. It was really fun.
It definitely surprised me. It has a very small footprint in the park, and also the height requirement is only 36 inches. So your small children can ride with and accompany adults.
Yeah, I think it has an age limit of 4 years old.
Yeah.
But there was a lot of small children on there. I was really surprised. But it was a great ride. Hopefully. got off White Lightning. I had a great time. I do have more to caution. It advertised that it's the smoothest ride. It is not smooth, but that didn't take away from the ride.
I thought it was excellent. I really enjoyed it. It was that classic wooden roller coaster. You got the high bank turns and the high lift hill, and it's rough, but brought back some nostalgia. I really enjoyed it.
Definitely recommend it.
Definitely.
All right, we're gonna go tour around Fun Spot and see what other things we can find. And
we just finished up with the go-karts. We did the quad Helix track. I had a really good time. I thoroughly enjoyed them. That one has a lot of turns and a lot of elevation.
yeah, I thought it was great. I think I've had a total of 5 laps.
Yeah.
You get 3 to 5, just kind of depending on how fast you go. We were kind of first out, so that was an advantage for us.
Yeah.
But yeah, I had a great time. And if you're wondering how safe they are, they're pretty safe. They have a kill switch. We experienced that when somebody went the wrong way. So they just kind of stop you, and then once they get everything going back again, they can start you back up.
Yep, and they do come with the option to ride dual, so you can ride with two people or singles. We both rode singles.
Yep.
And had a really good time.
Yeah, definitely recommend. So they do have a photo spot here that you can do with Gator Spot, where you can take a picture with snakes and gators. So you can see an albino alligator here at Gator Spot. That's brought to you by Gatorland inside. Hotel now, and we wanted to give you kind of our overall thoughts on Fun Spot. I had a good time.
Yeah, I thought it was a great value. I had a great time. The 2 roller coasters we rode really surprised me. I was amazed at how well designed they were.
Yeah, it was Freedom Fire and White Lightning, and then we did the go-karts, and we also took a little quick tour through Gator Spot. That was pretty interesting. I kind of wish we had done that in the daylight. It was really kind of hard to see at night. It's not exactly well lit. But they do have an albino alligator for you to check out,
Which is pretty cool. Also, we went right at 8:45, and the cost of it was in half. So it was only, I think, $4 and some change
right?
for each of us to go through it. Also, unfortunately, now we're going through the pandemic, but they're doing an excellent job sanitizing. Every train gets sanitized every other seat, so they fill every other seat and they sanitize those seats. And then then when that train comes back through, they swap it and they sanitize the ones that were previously sat in. So
Yeah, and then we're also spraying down the go-karts between loading and getting everybody ready.
Yeah.
So that was nice as well. So what we did is we spent $80 on an e-card, and they give you $20 for every $80 you spend. So we got a total of $100 on our e-card. So we did the pay-as-you-go kind of plan, and we did the Gator thing, we did the go-karts, and we did both roller coasters, and we still came back with
$37.
Yeah.
So we have enough to go back again and do a roller coaster each,
Yep.
and still have some money left over.
If you want something that's quick and easy, that's definitely a good recommendation. They have
Yeah.
a lot of kiddie rides. They also had bumper cars. They had bumper boats. They had a lot of fair type rides. So if you love fair type rides, is a great place to go.
Definitely, and they also have fair type environment.
They did have an arcade room. We didn't get over there.
No, unfortunately, we didn't make it over there.
And they do have an eating spot too. I did
Yes.
see that. And they do have a couple of ice cream and funnel cake places as well.
Yep, I saw
popped
those
up around.
also.
Yeah, I would go back. I definitely recommend, at least checking it out online. We'll put the website in the link down below, or description down below. And overall, we had a great time.
Yeah, it's definitely worth it to take a trip to Fun Spot when you're next time in Orlando.
Alright, well, if you enjoyed this video and this review, please make sure you hit that like button, and please be sure to subscribe for more future content like this.
Have a good night.